Hello, I'm Judy, the organizer and creator at Rescue My Space. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 simple ways to organize your bed linens. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So before we get started, the bed linen pieces you'll be seeing in this video is a flat sheet, a fitted sheet, and 2 pillow shams. Of course, if you have different bed linens that you like to use in your home, you can always incorporate that as well. So the first simple way to organize your bed linens is to place them in a storage bag. So this is a storage bag that I like to use. I'm trying to get it in the shot. I purchased it from the Container Store, which I frequent all the time. And why I like this type of organizing product for my linens is because you can literally just throw your linens inside of it, zip it up, and place it on your shelf, inside your linen closet, wherever, and it looks organized. So it pretty much gives you the look without putting effort into it. But of course, this is an organizing channel, so you will be folding your linens because that's what we like to do. But if you are too busy to fold, of course, you can always throw them in this storage bag and zip it up and place it in your linen closet, and you wouldn't even know the difference. So yeah, and of course, icing on the cake, you can add you can add a label to it, and you will know exactly what's in that bag because it is solid. You can't see through it. So that label will help you know exactly what's in that bag. So whenever you are ready to change out your linens, you can do so with ease. So let's push you on the floor. So the second simple way to organize your bed linens is to place them in a bin. So this is the bin that I also like to place my linens in. I like this particular bin because it does have higher walls, and the higher walls allows you to place your linens inside of it without really having to see it, especially if you place it on a higher shelf. So if you were to fold your linens and place them in the storage bag, you will also fold your linens to place them in this bin or basket, but the fold will be a bit different because you'll be file folding your linens. For example, this pillow sham typically would be folded flat, but because we are placing them in a bin, especially a bin with higher walls, you will then fold it over, therefore file folding it, and it will stand up like this. So if you were to go into your bin, you can literally just grab whatever you need, pull it out, and place the item on your bed. Or of course, if you're too busy, you don't necessarily have to fold or even file fold your bed linens. You can literally just place them inside your bin as is, of course, in an orderly-ish fashion, and then place it in your linen closet or linen shelf. Of course, the icing on a cake is you can add a label just like I did. I created this using a chalkboard label and chalkboard marker and some yarn, and you can literally create a custom label for your bin so you know exactly what's inside your bin. So the third simple way to organize your bed linens is to place your folded linens inside a pillowcase. In this instance, you have to make sure that your linens are folded because they need to fit in your pillowcase. So once your linens are folded, except for one pillowcase, you will place it inside the pillowcase, either in the corner of your pillowcase or in the middle, and then you'll fold over the remaining pillowcase around it or under it, creating a neat square or rectangle. It just depends on how you fold it. And then you'll place that on a shelf. Really simple. This way doesn't really require any type of organizing product, so I think it's probably the most simple way. And if you fold it neatly enough, it will still look amazing. It's all about folding when it comes to this technique, because if you're someone who likes to have a really neat looking linen closet, you have to fold it a particular way, or at least in a very neat fashion, so that your space looks organized and that it looks aesthetically pleasing. Of course, you knew that word was coming out because I love using that word. That's like my word of the year. That's pretty much it, guys. That is it. So these are just 3 simple ways that I like to use in my own home or in my client's home, and it just really helps keep your space organized, especially your linen closet. So let me know in the comment section below, which of the 3 do you use or would you use in your home? Let me know. You already know what time it is. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you so very much for watching this video. And as always, I'll see you soon. Bye.